Using delete statements, we can delete rows from a table. Select call 3, call 4 from tab 2. We see the rows. Now, a simple delete from tab 2 command will delete all the rows from the table tab 2. Since there is no condition passed, it will delete all the rows. Let us verify it. No rows. Roll back. Verify the rollback. We got the rows back. We can also pass in the conditions. Delete from tab 2 where call 3 equals to 2 will delete rows from the table tab 2 where the values of call 3 equals to 2. So these two rows should be deleted. Verify it. Roll back. Verify the rollback. Thank you for watching.